All right, so this is kind of part two of proportions, and the reason why I'm talking about this is because this is how we're going to most commonly use proportions and similarity and ratios, okay? So it says AB to BC is 3 to 8, okay? So basically, whenever it puts a colon, it's a simple way of saying it's a fraction. So another way I can write this is AB to BC is equals 3 to 8, or 3 over 8. Okay? So whenever there's a ratio or the colon thing, it's another way of saying a fraction, so don't be worried about that. Okay? But do I know what AB is? Okay, so looking at my picture, do I know what AB is? Well, AB is right here, right? AB is that segment, which is P. So we don't know what that is, so I'll put P there. Okay, so I still have 3/8 over there. Okay, and then BC. BC is right here, and so it's 24. Okay, so P over 24 equals 3 to 8. All right, and again, I already did a video on the different ways we can solve proportions. The easiest way for me to look at it, going to 8 to 24, don't I multiply it by 3? 8 times 3 is 24, so I do the same at the top. 3 times 3 equals P, so that's going to be 9, so P equals 9. Okay, so what you do is you take, rather than looking at it as a ratio, look at it as a fraction, and it makes it a lot easier to solve with proportions. All right, let's take a look at this one. AB to BC is 3 to 4. Okay, so AB to BC is 3 to 4. Okay. All right, AB, I see it right here, AB is 60. Okay, so 60 over BC. Ooh, is an algebraic expression, 10q plus 15. Said 10q plus 15 equals 3 over 4. Okay, so again, there's many different ways we could solve these proportions, but I'll look at it this way, okay? 3 to 60, I just multiply by 20, right? Because 3 times 20. So I do the same thing here, just multiply by 20. Okay, so that means 4 times 20 equals 10q plus 15. 4 times 20 is 80. Subtract 15 from both sides. And then 80 minus 15 is going to give me an answer of 65 equals 10q. Divide by 10. And those don't go in evenly. If you reduce the fractions best you can, 5 goes into both, which will give you 13 over 5. Okay, so Q would be 13 over 5. If you typed it in the calculator, you're going to get, I believe, 2.6 or something like that, something close to that, or 6.5. Yeah. Oh, it would be 13 over 2, my bad. 13 over 2, which is 6.5. Right. So Q is 6.5. All right, and then lastly, let's do one more. All right, AB to BC is 5 to 9. Okay, so AB to BC is 5 to 9. Okay, so AB is right here, 15. Over BC, which is right here, 5r plus 2 equals 5 to 9. Okay? And just for the purists out there, I'll go ahead and do cross multiplying. Why not? Doesn't hurt me. All right, 15 times 9 is 135. 5 times 5r is 25r plus 10. Okay? Combine like terms, subtract 10. 135 minus 10 is 125 equals 25r. Divide by 25. And r is going to equal to 5. Okay. So anyway, those are different ways, and the most common ways we're going to use it with ratios and scale factors like we kind of described here. So we're going to work more with that, but if you have proportions down, you're on the right track.